Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's the weekend, specifically Sunday, which means that it's time to reset and get organized for the week ahead. I love setting a routine because it keeps me grounded, but don't get me wrong, no two Sundays look the same. Sometimes I actually use up the entire weekend getting my life back on track. I usually start off by switching out my sheets and towel, and of course those go straight to the laundry. I also used this time to clean the bathrooms. This was a half bath, so it was relatively quick to clean, and as you can see, I drenched the entire sink area with the cleaning product and proceeded to wipe it down. And we're not forgetting any of those hard to reach areas either, because they tend to collect a lot of grime. After cleaning up all the other areas of the bathroom, it's time to sweep the floor and then also change the hand towels. And voila! It's sparkling clean now, and let me tell you, I felt so satisfied. Like, there's just something refreshing about a clean space. By the time I was done, I was so hungry, so I decided to fix myself something to eat. I just made my regular mint tea. I am such a tea fan, y'all. And I also made some good old egg sandwich. Now that I'm filled up, I can continue cleaning, and so I decided to vacuum all of the rooms, starting off with my sister's. Next, it's time to create some content for Instagram. I batch film most of my content on Sundays, so it's just ready to push out during the week, and that just works for me. I've already planned my outfits, so I'm just going to spread them out on my bed and then choose the accessories. And as part of my prep, I also iron all the wrinkled clothes because I just believe that adds some substance to your outfit. Once all that is said, I do my makeup and then it's time to film. Oh man, I really wish it was that quick to get ready.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head.
I've created some content to last me a couple of weeks, and as you can see, my room gets pretty messy, so it's time to clear all of that mess. I really love content creation, but it's a lot of work, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. So if you follow me on Instagram, please show some love to my content. I appreciate it. And while we're at it, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already.
You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to.
Finally, I'm done cleaning my room and I can take off my makeup and freshen up. Like, you can't even imagine how good it feels to just take that off and just stay barefaced for the rest of the day. After a quick shower, sis is over here glowing. I have on my comfy clothes, of course, and before we head out to the living room, I just had to put on some perfume and lotion. And if you're wondering, this is My Way by Giorgio Armani. It's pretty much late afternoon by now, so it's the perfect time to unwind and just get some rest. I've been glued, and I mean like literally glued to my screen. since I started watching this Korean show, so that's what I'm going to watch for the rest of the day. Okay guys, we've come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and do have a great week.
I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you. It's stupid when I'm alone with you. I never